Are you tired of feeling like a digital marketing dinosaur? Or do you want to stay ahead of the curve and dominate your continuously expanding industry? Then you're in the right place. Hey guys, I'm Kat, and today with Vidpros, we're exploring the best YouTube channels to master digital marketing. In today's fast-paced world, keeping up with the latest trends and strategies is crucial. That's why we've curated a list of 12 must-watch YouTube channels that will supercharge your digital marketing knowledge. Whether you're a beginner wanting to learn the basics or a pro looking to stay up to date with the latest trends, these channels offer a wealth of insights, expert tips, and actionable advice to help you level up your skills. From SEO and social media marketing to content creation and analytics, we've got you covered. So, grab your popcorn or your preferred snack, get comfortable, and let's embark on a journey of digital marketing mastery. Embracing growth doesn't just make you a better marketer. It makes you more valuable to your organization and in the grander scheme of things. By consistently sharpening your skills, you can improve your strategic thinking, gain a deeper understanding of your customers, adapt more quickly to industry changes, and boost your overall productivity. But why is staying ahead in digital marketing so crucial? The landscape is constantly evolving, with trends, algorithms, and consumer behaviors shifting rapidly. What works today might not work tomorrow, so mastering digital marketing requires staying updated with the latest strategies, tools, and techniques. By staying ahead, you can adapt to new technologies like AI, navigate algorithm changes on platforms like Google and YouTube, and understand the evolving preferences of your audience. This knowledge not only keeps you competitive, but also enables you to innovate, experiment, and grow your business. So now the question is, how can you stay ahead of the curve? Online courses, industry events, and peer collaborations are all great options. But one of the most accessible and free ways to level up your skills is by tapping into the wealth of knowledge available on YouTube. In 2024, YouTube solidified its position as a significant marketing platform for businesses and entrepreneurs alike. With 2.7 billion active users, that's a massive audience to tap into. YouTube is more than passive entertainment. It's a serious tool for growth. In fact, 90% of marketers leverage the platform, and 78% of them report its effectiveness in driving their goals. And with YouTube generating $31.5 billion in ad revenue in 2023, it's clear that both creators and businesses are thriving there. But YouTube isn't just about reaching an audience. It's also an incredible resource for learning digital marketing. Here's why you should consider YouTube as a go-to educational hub. First is its massive reach. With billions of users, there are countless content creators sharing their expertise in digital marketing. There's also visual learning, which refers to how watching tutorials and demonstrations makes it easier to grasp complex strategies and tools. You get up-to-date information in that YouTube creators are agile. They quickly produce content on the latest trends, updates, and algorithm changes. You can also enjoy community engagement, because the platform allows you to learn from the comments and discussions, giving you diverse perspectives and deeper insights. And finally, you gain global insights, meaning you get access to tips and strategies from marketers worldwide, giving you a broader view of digital marketing practices. Now that we've established why YouTube is such a powerful learning tool, let's dive into the 12 must-watch channels that will help you master digital marketing and take your skills to the next level. First up is Neil Patel. His channel is a powerhouse for marketers of all experience levels, and if you haven't checked it out yet, you're missing out. With over 1.29 million subscribers and a massive library of 1,800 plus videos, it's no wonder Neil is considered a thought leader in the digital marketing space. Here's what you can expect to learn from Neil's channel: SEO strategies that actually deliver results, content marketing tips to drive more traffic to your website, social media tactics to boost your engagement and presence, email marketing hacks designed to increase your conversion rates, and YouTube marketing strategies to help you leverage the platform for serious business growth. Neil stays ahead of the game by posting 2 to 3 new videos every week, so you're always up to speed with the latest industry trends and developments. In 2024, he made headlines by stressing the importance of human-created content over AI-generated alternatives, a critical topic as the world of marketing continues to evolve. Neil's Neil Knowledge series offers a treasure trove of practical, actionable tips that can fuel your business growth. He's known for breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand content, using real-world examples and engaging case studies. So if you're serious about mastering digital marketing, this is definitely one channel to keep on your radar. Now when it comes to search engine optimization, Moz is truly at the top of the game. In 2024, they reached a significant milestone, the 10th anniversary of their renowned Whiteboard Friday series, a testament to their staying power and influence in the digital marketing world. Their channel offers advanced SEO techniques that will help you stay ahead of the competition, link building strategies designed to boost your authority without risking penalties, keyword research tips to uncover valuable search terms that others might overlook, and content marketing tactics to elevate your content and improve your search engine rankings. Moz is known for its consistency, releasing 1 to 2 high-quality videos each week, and their focus is always on depth and value, ensuring that every video is packed with actionable insights and strategies. Moz's Whiteboard Friday series in particular is legendary, and for good reason. Each episode takes a deep dive into key SEO topics, breaking them down into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons. And with curated playlists for specific topics, it's easy to find the content that's most relevant to your needs. Next up is Ahrefs. With more than 565,000 subscribers, it has solidified its reputation as a must-watch channel for SEO professionals and enthusiasts alike. In 2024, they took things up a notch by launching a new series focused on advanced SEO techniques and the role of AI in digital marketing, perfect for those looking to stay on the cutting edge of the industry. Here's what you'll learn from them: how to perform in-depth keyword research to discover high-impact opportunities, link building strategies that actually work to improve your site's authority, technical SEO tips designed to optimize your site's performance and rankings, and effective content optimization techniques that will give your site the edge in search results. One of this channel's standout features is the way Samuel O delivers clear, actionable tutorials. His guidance helps simplify complex SEO topics, making them easier to grasp and implement. Ahrefs offers diverse playlists that cover everything from the basics to the most advanced SEO strategies. Another channel that simplifies complex SEO concepts is Brian Dean's Backlinko. In 2024, they expanded their content to explore how AI is transforming digital marketing strategies, making it a must-watch for forward-thinking marketers looking to stay ahead of the curve. There's a bit of a pattern here, isn't there? Here's what you can learn from Backlinko: link building techniques that actually drive measurable results, proven methods for on-page SEO optimization to boost your site's visibility, content marketing strategies designed to engage your audience and increase traffic, and expert YouTube SEO tips to help your videos rank higher and reach more viewers. Now here's a personal favorite. HubSpot's channel is a treasure trove of inbound marketing expertise, continuously delivering cutting-edge content. This year, they introduced an exciting new series on how to incorporate AI into inbound marketing strategies, demonstrating that HubSpot is always ahead of industry trends. You can also learn about inbound marketing fundamentals alongside advanced tactics to help attract and engage your audience, proven email marketing strategies to nurture and convert leads, social media management tips to improve engagement and boost brand visibility, and creative branding techniques designed to help your business stand out in a crowded market. With a thriving community of over 130,000 subscribers, HubSpot provides a wide array of content tailored for marketers at every level. Their thoughtfully curated playlists cover topics such as creativity, design, and brand development, making it easy to dive into specific areas of interest and sharpen your skills. Now, of course, when it comes to evaluating your website's performance, Google Analytics is the undisputed leader in the field. Their channel serves as the official hub for all things related to analytics, Data Studio, Optimize, Surveys, and Tag Manager. From them, you'll be able to grasp how to effectively set up and navigate Google Analytics to track your website's performance, advanced techniques for data analysis and visualization to help you derive meaningful insights, tips for leveraging Google's suite of marketing tools to enhance your overall strategy, and explorations of AI and machine learning applications within analytics, giving you an edge in data interpretation. In 2024, the channel expanded its offerings to delve into more advanced subjects, particularly focusing on the integration of AI and machine learning. With Google Analytics as your ally, you'll be well equipped to transform raw data into actionable insights for your business. Then we have Social Media Examiner. This channel is your go-to destination for everything related to social media marketing. They recently elevated their content by introducing live-streamed events and tutorials focused on the latest platform updates and algorithm changes. Here's what you'll discover. Platform-specific strategies tailored for major social networks, helping you navigate each one effectively. Content creation tips designed to enhance audience engagement and drive interaction. Social media advertising techniques that can optimize your ad spend and boost results. And methods to measure and improve your social media ROI, ensuring you get the most out of your marketing efforts. This channel's founder, Michael Stelzner, regularly hosts live-stream talk shows featuring expert guests, providing viewers with real-time insights into the latest trends. The diversity of presenters on the channel offers a variety of perspectives on social media marketing, making it an invaluable resource for marketers at any stage of their journey. The Search Engine Land channel is the go-to resource for search engine marketers looking to stay updated on the latest developments in the field. At present, they've enhanced their offerings with in-depth video analysis of algorithm updates, equipping marketers with the knowledge they need to adjust their strategies in real time. Among other things you'll learn from them include the latest news on search engine algorithm changes, ensuring you're always in the loop, best practices for both SEO and PPC, helping you optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. You'll have access to exclusive interviews with industry leaders, providing insights and tips from the top minds in search marketing, in-depth exploration of emerging search technologies that could impact your strategies, and comprehensive coverage of all aspects of search engine marketing, from foundational SEO techniques to advanced paid advertising strategies. This content is backed by rigorous research and extensive industry expertise, offering valuable information on everything from keyword research to paid search advertising. So if you're serious about staying ahead in the ever-changing landscape of SEO, this channel is a must-subscribe. Now, have you heard of the Digital Marketer channel? It offers a fresh and engaging approach to digital marketing education. In fact, they recently revamped their content strategy, launching a dynamic marketing challenges series presented in a game show format that keeps viewers entertained while they learn. Here's what you can expect to gain: practical digital marketing tips and strategies that you can apply immediately to enhance your campaigns, inbound marketing techniques that will help you attract and convert potential customers, best practices in content marketing to create compelling content that resonates with your audience, and social media marketing hacks that can boost your online presence and engagement. The channel's unique combination of entertainment and education makes grasping marketing concepts not just informative, but also enjoyable. The competitive spirit of the Marketing Challenges series injects excitement into serious topics, covering everything from developing customer avatars to crafting effective Facebook ads and mastering lead generation strategies. If you're looking to elevate your marketing skills in a fun and interactive way, this channel is a fantastic choice. And next, we have Unbounce, your ultimate destination for mastering landing page optimization and conversion rate optimization, or CRO. This year, they took a significant leap forward by introducing an AI-powered landing page builder, harnessing insights from over 2 billion conversion data points to help marketers enhance their strategies. Through this channel, you'll learn how to craft high-converting landing pages that not only attract visitors but also drive conversions, A/B testing techniques that enable you to experiment with different elements and identify what works best for your audience, mobile optimization strategies to ensure your landing pages perform seamlessly on all devices, and SEO tips specifically tailored for landing pages to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Their detailed step-by-step tutorials make it easy to design effective landing pages, even if you lack coding experience. Unbounce provides practical insights and strategies to help elevate your conversion rates. For our next channel, there's 7-Figure Agency, an invaluable resource for digital marketing agencies eager to grow and scale their businesses. Recently, they introduced the 7-Figure Agency Accelerator, an all-encompassing program designed to guide agencies toward achieving that highly sought-after 7-figure revenue milestone. This channel offers effective strategies for agency growth and client acquisition to help you build a robust client base, in-depth case studies showing successful 7-figure agencies and the tactics they employed to get there, insights and tips for overcoming common challenges faced by agencies, ensuring you're well prepared for any obstacles that may arise, and proven techniques for scaling your marketing efforts efficiently and effectively. Founder Josh Nelson's engaging case study series provides unique insights into successful digital marketing strategies and their tangible outcomes. So if you're currently running an agency or have aspirations of starting one, this channel serves as a comprehensive roadmap to achieving success in the competitive landscape of digital marketing. Finally, there's Dave Gerhardt's channel, a treasure trove for B2B marketers, entrepreneurs, and brand builders. Drawing on his extensive experience with companies like Drift and Privy, Dave has established himself as a thought leader in B2B marketing. While he may not fit the traditional digital marketing mold, his insights on marketing as a whole make him one of my personal favorites. His unique approach to B2B strategies, brand development, and marketing leadership provides valuable perspectives that enhance and broaden the scope of conventional digital marketing. Here's what he can teach you. Proven B2B marketing strategies that deliver real results. Brand building techniques tailored for both startups and established businesses. Leadership skills in marketing that can elevate your career to new heights. And community building strategies that foster customer loyalty and engagement. Dave keeps his content fresh and applicable by blending interviews, case studies, and actionable insights. This year, he launched the Founder Brand Movement, which empowers startup founders to leverage their personal stories for effective marketing. The great thing about Dave's content is it's grounded in real-world experiences, showcasing valuable lessons from his successes and failures, as well as emphasizing the power of storytelling in marketing. Plus, you'll gain access to the Exit 5 community, a vibrant network of B2B marketers eager to share knowledge and support. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the fundamentals, an intermediate marketer aiming to refine your skills, or a founder seeking to elevate your brand's voice, Dave Gerhardt's channel has everything you need to thrive in the B2B landscape. And that's a wrap on our list of the best YouTube channels for mastering digital marketing. If you're dipping your toes into the world of SEO, sharpening your social media game, or looking to explore cutting-edge AI marketing strategies, these channels offer something for everyone. Found a new favorite channel? Or maybe there's one we missed? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're ready to take your digital marketing knowledge to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights and tips. Here at Vidpros, we're committed to helping you create content that resonates. Schedule a call with us today to see how we can bring your marketing vision to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.